to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a rainy day speed clean with me. It's been super rainy here lately, so when it's rainy like this, I love to just turn Netflix on and clean up around the house. And make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I will be sharing a super easy crock pot dinner idea with you guys. It's seriously 3 ingredients, so easy. So make sure to stick around to the end so you guys can check that out. And so the first thing I'm doing in this clean with me is I'm just making the bed with the baby.
Put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it, and I've been needing.
Look how cute my little helper is. I'm then moving over to our dresser and I'm just gonna declutter it a bit and give it a good wipe down. I also really need to clean out my sock drawer. And on all my wood surfaces throughout this clean with me, I am using the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner.
Of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never.
And I'm using a lavender essential oil in my diffuser today, and that diffuser is from Walmart. And then I'm just gonna give the floor a really quick vacuum.
Crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it.
Once I'm done in there, I'm gonna head into my office. I had broken into one of these, what are these bags called, where they can press down to get some sheets out of here for a fort I built over the weekend. So I needed to put these all back in here and squish it back down.
Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start in on wiping down my workstation and my vanity.
To lose control, so baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it, and I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Once I'm done vacuuming and cleaning my office, I'm gonna head into Dee's bathroom and just give everything a good wipe down.
Lied, and tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us all tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, you're down.
the bathroom is all clean, I'm gonna give the living room a quick clean. I'm gonna dust like usual. My house gets so dusty, so you guys see me dust a lot in my videos, and that's because my house just requires it.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight.
And then I'm gonna give our floor a quick vacuum.
Gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight.
After I'm done vacuuming the living room and the entryway, I'm gonna head into the kitchen, and I'm starting with the dishes. Luckily, before I went to bed last night, I made the good decision to start it, so I am just unloading the dishwasher here, and I will reload the dishes from breakfast and then give the sink a quick scrub.
Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on.
After that, I'm using these apple pumpkin wax cubes. They smell so good. They smell like you've been baking all day. I am so ready for fall and have already broken out all of my fall scents. Walmart has finally put out all of their fall wax cubes, by the way, so definitely go check them out. And I'm also using the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider spray. This one smells so good. I always say lavender is one of my favorites, but I don't know. I think it's a tie between the apple cider, the lavender, and the peppermint. They all smell so good. Then gonna wipe down our kitchen table and then our trash can.
Just the way you are, keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what.
After I'm done wiping down the trash can, I'm just gonna give the floor a quick vacuum, and then we'll head on to the Crock-pot recipe. So I love crock-pot meals on rainy days. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just going to take 2 chicken breasts. I separate my chicken breasts and freeze them individually, and they can be frozen or de-thawed, and just throw them into your crock-pot. I'm all out of liners, or I would have added a liner as well. I definitely suggest you do that if you have them. And then you'll need 1 can of pineapple chunks, and you'll just add it, juice and all. And then 1 cup of any kind of barbecue sauce. I just happen to have Sweet Baby Ray's. And then you'll add that, stir it up, and then you'll just put it on low for 4 hours. Shred the chicken, and then you can make some rice in your rice maker, and you just throw that over rice. And that's everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this gave you tons of cleaning motivation and an easy dinner idea. If you did like this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here. And I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye!